In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Webpage as mobile in Brave browser. If you want to see how a website looks on a smartphone while using your computer, Brave browser includes a built-in developer tool that lets you switch any web page into a mobile-style layout. This is especially useful for testing website design, checking responsiveness, or simply previewing how content appears on different screen sizes without needing an actual phone. To begin, open your Brave browser on your computer. Once it is fully loaded, navigate to any web page you want to view in mobile format. This can be your own website, a project you are working on, or any page you want to test for mobile compatibility. Next, right-click anywhere on the web page to open the context menu. From the list of options that appear, select Inspect. This will open Brave's developer tools, which provide advanced options for analyzing and interacting with web content behind the scenes. When the Developer Tools panel opens, it will usually appear on the side or bottom of your browser window. Look toward the top section of this panel where you will see a row of icons and tabs. Locate the option known as the Device Toolbar Toggle. This tool allows you to switch between desktop and mobile viewing modes. Click the Device Toolbar toggle to activate Mobile View. Once enabled, the web page will immediately adjust and you will notice that the layout changes to simulate a mobile screen environment. At the top of the page preview, you will see a drop-down menu that typically displays a responsive setting by default. Click on this drop-down to view a list of available device profiles. This list includes a wide range of popular smartphones and tablets, each with different screen sizes and resolutions. From this list, choose any mobile device you want to simulate. You might select a phone model similar to modern smartphones or a tablet layout depending on your testing needs. Once you select a device, the web page will instantly adjust to match the screen dimensions and behavior of that device. This allows you to see exactly how the page responds on mobile screens, including layout changes, text scaling, and element positioning. It is a powerful way to ensure websites are mobile-friendly and visually consistent across different devices. And that is how you can view any web page in mobile mode using Brave browser's built-in tools without needing a physical device. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.